Welcome to Study Bricks. In this video, let's discuss the important questions in the topic Jainism. First question: who was the founder of Jainism in India? Option A Gautama, B Mahavira, C Chandragupta, D Ashoka. And the answer is option B Mahavira. He was also called Mahavir Swami. His original name was Vardhamana. Vardhamana. He was born in 540 BC in Vaishali. Till the 23rd Tirthankaras, Jains were called Nigrandan. Nigrandan. And only after Mahavira was joined, the name Jain was adopted. Next question: who was Mahavira? And the answer is B. 24th Tirthankaras. 24th Tirthankara. And the 21st Tirthankara was called Neminath. Neminath. And the 22nd Tirthankara was called Arishtanemi. Arishtanemi. And the 23rd Tirthankara was called Parishwanath. Parishwanath. Next question: the famous Jain center in South India is situated at Rameshwaram, Kanchi, Madurai, and Shravabelogala. And the answer is option D, Shravana Belogala. It is situated in Mysore, Karnataka. And this is where the statue of Gomateshwara is built. Next question: when was the first Jain council held? Option A 250 BC, B 300 BC, C 540 BC, and D 600 BC. And the answer is option B 300 BC. So the first Jain council was held at 300 BC in Patali-putra during the reign of King Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya. Under chairman Stholablu, and this is where Jainism was divided into two. The first part was called Digambara, and the second part was called Shvetambara. Digambara were the sect of people who wore no clothes, and Shvetambara were the sect of people who wore only white clothes. Next question: Jain literature is called option A Tripitakas, option B Vedas, option C Arya Sutras, and option D Angas. The right answer is option D Angas. It is also called Agamas. And it consists of 45 sacred texts of Jainism based on the discourses of Tirthankaras. Next question: who was the last ruler of India that adopted Jainism in his last days? The right answer is option C, Chandragupta Maurya. Next question: who was the mother of Mahavira? Option A, Yashoda, option B, Anoja, C, Tirishala, and D, Devanadi. And the right answer is option C, Tirishala. She was the princess of Lichavi. And Mahavira's father name was Siddhartha, who was the king of Yatrika. And Yashoda is the name of his wife. Next question: Vardhaman Mahavira is also known as Jina, Jain, preacher, teacher. And the right answer is option A, Jina. Jina means The great conqueror. Great conqueror. It denotes one who has conquered the inner demons like anger, greed, passion, ego, and hate. Jain is a word that was derived from Jina, which means follower of Jina. So Mahavira was called Jina, and his followers were called Jain because they followed Jina. Next question. Mahavira's first disciple was, and the answer is option D, Jamali. Jamali was a son-in-law of Mahavira, and Mahavira's daughter's name was Anuja. Next question. Which of the following is not the Triratna of Jainism? Option A, right faith. Option B, right knowledge. Option C, right view. And option D, right conduct. And the right answer is option C, right view. In Jainism, right faith is called Samyaka Shraddha. And right knowledge is called Samyaka Jnana. And right conduct is called Samyaka Acharan or Charita. Next question. Where was the second Jain council held? Option A, Pataliputra, B, Vaishali, C, Vallabhi, and D, Rajgira. And the right answer is option C, Vallabhi. Vallabhi is a place in Gujarat. The second Jain council was held at Vallabhi in 512 AD. Under chairman Devri Tamani, during this council, Jain literature was finally completed. Next question. Santara is a religious ritual of which community? And the right answer is Jain. And Santara means to fast to death, which means these people literally starve themselves until they die. And the Swatambara sect of Jains followed this ritual. Mauryan king Chandragupta Maurya died through this ritual. Next question. A collective term used by Jains for the sacred book is, and the answer is Angas. It is also called Agamas. Last question. Mahavira died at, and the right answer is option D, Pavapuri. It is a place in Nalanda district in Bihar. And Mahavira died at the age of 72. That's it, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.